Hi everyone! The quality of your smart screen is quite important, and you may think that the Carpuride 5-inch smart screen is too small for your bike and that the 7-inch Carpuride smart screen is too big for your bike. Well, good news is Carpuride just released the new 6-inch smart screen for a perfect fit on your bike. Peter received quite a number of these 6-inch Carpuride smart screens, and you'll be fitting them on a number of bikes, including my F800GS. Today we'll be fitting this new 712D Carpuride smart screen on this stunning brand new GT650 Royal Enfield bike. The beautiful thing about the 712D Carpuride smart screen is that you can fit it in both portrait and in landscape modes. So can't wait to see it. Let's check it out.
The guy's using a cell phone here to be able to use his navigation. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit the Carpuride 712D with tire pressure monitoring on this bike. With the 712D you have the option to basically fit your smart screen in portrait or in landscape. So you can fit the 712D like the cell phone, you fit the cell phone, or you can fit it here in a landscape in a conventional way. That's up to him. But I think the bike is ideal to test out the 712D. So we're going to go back to the garage now and we're going to fit it and give you the story. And this is the 712D with tire pressure monitoring. What's very nice about this screen is it is also a 7-inch, but you can mount it on your motorcycle in landscape or portrait mode, which make it also very attractive. So let's see what's in the box. There you go, very nice 7-inch screen, and it's very flat. You can see it's quite flat, it's quite nice because you can put it on like this or like that. All the cables, and this is your one camera, this is the other camera, this is your tire pressure monitoring, this is your ram mount, and this is your manual. And this is what I like about this one. You can do a rotation on the screen from landscape to portrait. So that is everything that you get in the box. Okay, so let's put it in. So we just have to take off this cover to get to the battery. Okay, so this is the rear camera. And it comes with a bracket, and you can put bolts in or you can just stick it. We're just going to stick it now. Just make sure it's nice and in the middle. Here's your camera. So yeah, the bike doesn't have any round bars, so we put it here to the mirror stem. On the back you got that one there. You can also maybe get a longer one if you want to do, put it like this. For now we only have this short one. I think you ordered more. You can now it must be like that, and you can also put it like this. For now let's leave it like that. You just take off the valve here, and then you put this lock nut on so that you can lock it. Okay. Right. Okay. Then you just lock it. This one, let's do the rear wheel.
What's the number?
So remember to put a lock nut on. 940, 300.
Yes.
Okay, so there's Carpuride, so you select it, the pair. There's a code, Bluetooth. It must bring up the code here as well. So pair. Please use your cell phone to connect to the headset. Okay. Well, that's connected. There's your Android Auto. Continue on the phone. There you go. Easy as. So let's check. You go settings, then stop the recording. It's a button called screen rotation. You click on that, you say confirm, and it will switch off. And there you go. I actually like this. It's very nice because now you can see your dials and everything. So there you go. That's your, now it is in a portrait mode and everything's still working fine, and there's your Android Auto back on, and the map's actually very nice. So you click on that one there, and you go exit, you go to cameras, you will see the two cameras there. Okay, let's say binding sensor. So we're doing this one, B1, 940, 940, 300.
940, 300.
Yeah. Ah, there you go. It's binded 29 psi. Wow, your tires are spot on, eh? Okay, so there we have it. Installation done. Roy will make the cables a bit tidier. I think it's time to take it for a ride and see what it looks like. Okay, so that is the Carpuride W712D installed on this Royal Enfield Continental. Like you can see, I've got a front view camera here. I can put that one on, I can look at the front and the rear. We still have to adjust that camera. I go back there to the settings, and you can have Android CarPlay, and there you go. That's the Android CarPlay, which is very good and very nice. I must say, the fact that they can mount it now in a portrait is a very good thing, because you know, normally for a bike like this you don't want to mount something in front of this beautiful chrome dials. So you can have it on the side and you can turn it in a portrait. That's really brilliant. That's brilliant from Carpuride. So yeah, that is very good. And just go back to the home setting or exit out of there. You can see my tire pressure. There's the tire pressure screen. You can also set alarms. Let me just make a turn here. You can set the alarms and yeah, go back, go home, there you go, and go back to Android Auto. So now you have everything on the bike. Look how beautiful it is. Nice layout, and you can do everything. So your cell phone is in your pocket, but you got everything up on the smart screen. You can do everything you want from this panel here. It also got a remote here. I didn't even test it, but we can see if you press the button, there it goes to home. And if I click there, there's my camera, my rear view camera. Go back there, and there I take a photo. And I can go back to Android Auto, which is very nice. So I must say, I'm very impressed with the Carpuride 712D. Got everything I want on the smart screen. This also got the auto brightness. If I switch it off, the brightness, if I switch it back to auto, you will see it will automatically adjust, which is great. So yeah, I think it's a very nice addition for this bike. I say thank you for Raid for allowing me to install this Carpuride on his beautiful Royal Enfield GT 650. So yeah, very good, very good. So there you go. That is the Carpuride 712D installed on a beautiful Royal Enfield GT 650. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to like and subscribe. And remember the link in the bottom of the video where you in the description where you can get a 32% discount if you order this online. Until next time, ramble on.